Hello, welcome to the Tech Crazy channel. In this video, we shall discuss about the two very important terms of metrology: accuracy and precision. So, if we want to understand this subject metrology, so we need to understand clearly of these two terms: accuracy and precision. So first, accuracy means it is accuracy of a measuring instrument is defined as the closeness of measured value to a true or known or actual input value. And definition of precision is precision of a measuring instrument is the closeness of agreement between independent test results obtained under stipulated conditions. So first of all, accuracy means it is closeness of measured value to a true or actual input value. Means suppose, let us say, so suppose if you are measuring the any object, so how close that instrument will show the reading. And precision means it is the ability of instrument to show the same reading when you measure the same thing again and again. So I will explain you in detail about these two terms. So I will take here example, so to explain meaning of accuracy. So let us take the example that, so let us take 10 mm rod. So let us say that its dimension is exactly 10 mm. Okay, so next I will take one micrometer. Of course I will take two micrometers. So if I measure with this micrometer dimension of this rod, which is already we know its dimension is 10 mm, so how much it shows? It shows the 10.1 mm. And if you take another micrometer, second micrometer, it shows the reading as 10.15 mm. What is actual dimension? It is actual dimension of the rod is 10 mm. Means it is first this micrometer is showing the reading which is closer to the 10 mm, means 10.1 is closer to the 10 mm as compared to the 10.15 mm. So that means it is this micrometer is more accurate than this micrometer. Means here what is accuracy means it is how close that reading will shows the actual reading, actual value of the actual dimension of the object. So here actual dimension is 10 mm. How much it is showing is 10.1. How much second micrometer is showing is 10.15 mm. So that's why accuracy means it is closeness of the measured value. Measured value means it is this value, that is indicated value, to the true or input value. 10 mm is the true or you can say input value. Next, precision. So precision means it is again I will explain you with the example. So again you take the example of the 10 mm rod. So it's exactly, let us say its dimension is exactly 10 mm. So which is already we know. Suppose again I will take here two micrometers. So I will measure the dimension of the rod, same rod, by using this micrometer, first micrometer, 4 times. Means let us say on 4 days, first day, second day, third day and fourth day. First day it will show the 10.1 mm, second day it will show the 10.12 mm, third day it shows the 10.09 mm and fourth day it will show the 10.07 mm. So when I measure the dimension of this rod by using the second micrometer, so it will show the readings as first day it is 10.2, second day it is 10.1, third day it is 9.95 and fourth day it is 9.9. So we just compare with these two results. So this is the first results of first micrometer, and these are the results of second micrometer. So variation of dimensions in the first by the first micrometer is very less as compared to the variation in dimensions are very less in first micrometer as compared to the second micrometer. So that means, so this micrometer is not precise. So this first micrometer is more precise as compared to the second micrometer. Means precision means it should show same reading when you measure the same thing again and again. If it is showing the same readings, then we can say it is precise. Means difference should be very less. So here you can say 10.1, 10.12, 10.09, 10.07. So these dimensions are very close. So as compared to the, this is second micrometer. So that's why, so first micrometer is more precise as compared to the second micrometer. So this is about the precision. So again here it is tables are given to explain the accuracy and precision. One more example. So you can see all the values, what this dot, so this circles indicates it is tolerance zone. Red dots indicates it is measured values, measured dimensions. So number of dots indicates that many number of times it is measured. So you can see this first one, this circle. So this is indicates accurate and precise. This indicates accurate and precise means all dimensions are within circle, and every time dimensions are very close to each other. So when it is very close to each other, all the dimensions they are precise. If it is within circle, they are accurate. So here you can see second circle. So in this, they are accurate but not precise. Means they are within circle but they are scattered. Every time they are showing very different answers. So they are not precise. In third circle, you can say they are showing same result again and again. So because they are very concentrated at certain points, but they are out of the circle. That means they are not accurate but precise. Precise but not accurate. So here fourth indicates the out of the circle and they are scattered. Means they are not neither accurate nor precise. Means accurate भी नहीं है, precise भी नहीं है. So this is about the accuracy and precision. So thank you for watching this video. So I request you to like, subscribe and share this video and this channel. So thank you. So see you in the next